Meaning of dormancy.
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 Dormancy. Dormancy refers to a state of inactivity or quiescence. In biology, dormancy is a state of reduced metabolic activity that allows organisms to conserve energy during periods of adverse environmental conditions. In plants, dormancy is characterized by suspended growth and development. Seeds and bulbs are common examples of dormant plant structures. Dormancy can also refer to the state of a financial account or asset that is inactive or unused. For example, a bank account may become dormant if there have been no deposits or withdrawals for a specified period.